Now that you're all set up with a Nearpod account and you've started your first lesson, let's see how to add some content to it. To start off, you can select either Add Slide or Add Content and Activities to your lesson. When you pull that up, you'll see two different tabs, one for content and one for activities. Since we're going to start with either a poll or a collaborate board, click on Activities. And let's start with the collaborate board. You can select from a number of different themes to modify your different collaborate boards. Then you can enter a topic. You can also add a description up to 300 characters if you need to give your students more instructions. You can add an image if you would like, and then you're pretty much set to go. When you're done, just press Save. If I'd like to see how this would look, I can click on the slide and then select Preview down at the bottom. This will show me how it will look to students when they're pulling it up. So there's my title, there are my further instructions, and then students can type their responses down at the bottom. All right, to get out of that, I can just click the X in the upper right corner. Now let's add a poll. We'll follow the same basic instructions, going to the Activities page and selecting Poll. Again, Nearpod makes this pretty intuitive. I'm going to enter my poll question, and then I can type in some answers. If you need more answers, you can add quite a number of them. You can also reorder the answers at any time. And if you need to add special characters, such as mathematical formulas, you can click on the little blue pop-up with the pi symbol, and it gives you a lot of different options. You can allow students to select multiple options as correct. You can add a timer if you want to create a little bit more pressure for your activity. And you can add an image, a video, or other media to accompany the poll. When you're done, again, just press Save. Let's preview that one. All right, do I like this poll? Sure. And that is how simple it is to add polls and collaborate boards into Nearpod.